Going back to college means significant time and money investment to plan in advance what career field you will follow, where to enroll, and how much that advanced degree will cost. So we know it's not easy. And there are so many fields that you are probably wondering where to start looking. This time, we are talking about the best master's degrees in MBA.
The College Disruptor.
Hi, I am Annie from Grade Hacker, the non-traditional student most trusted resource, and we understand how critical it is to know which are the best and most affordable programs. So today, we'll tell you everything about it. First things first, what exactly is a master's degree in MBA? It's very important to say that this is one of the most common and lucrative careers to choose if you are interested in the business world and want to access some of the highest paying jobs. According to a study by the Ford Foundation, the average salary for an MBA degree holder 2 years after graduating is this one. It all sounds pretty good, right? So, where should you enroll? One great option is Indiana University. It's among the best public universities to get an MBA, and it offers 7 majors of its prospective students to choose from. The program consists of 54 credits, and upon graduation, the average annual salary for its graduates is $122,000. To apply, the process is very simple. First, you'll submit a short form where you share your professional background, and then you will meet with one of their admissions staff with additional documents like your academic records, GMAT, GRE scores, 3 letters of recommendation, and a personal statement. We know what you may be wondering. How much does it cost? This is how much tuition per credit costs. However, they offer a wide range of scholarships that go up to $20,000 that you can apply to. Looking for a more affordable option? Look no further. The University of Wisconsin is one of the best. Its program ranks 9 in the US News list and comprises 36 credit hours scheduled in fully online and asynchronous classes. Graduate students usually need 2 to 3 years to finish this online degree. The admission requirements are to hold a bachelor's degree with a minimum GPA of 2.75 and score higher than 475 on the GMAT or GRE. Plus, you have to submit a personal statement, 3 letters of recommendation, and send the official transcript from every college you have attended. If you have no hands-on experience, don't worry. They can also review your application based on performance and merit. And the cost? Tuition here costs $825 per credit, which would be around $30,000. And we have one more before we finish. The University of Florida. We start with good news. Here, all online classes are recorded and archived. So if you are struggling with time management, this is a more flexible option perfect for you. Another great thing is that all the programs are accredited by the gold standard of business schools accreditation. This university ranks 5 in the best online MBA programs in the US. To apply, you submit an application essay, 2 letters of recommendation, and if you have a business-related work experience, then great. If not, there are exceptions, and a minimal TOEFL score of 60 in paper and 80 online. Tuition here costs $1,208 per credit. We just mentioned 3 of the best, but of course, there are other options. As a non-traditional student, you must make sure you find the best of the best. We hope we've helped you, and we wish you choose the right online master for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you are looking for more tips for non-traditional graduate students, check out more of our videos. Find out if studying a master's degree is really worth it, or see which are the colleges with highest acceptance rates.